Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Realme C33. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here find the Microsoft Edge. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that browser. Here we can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization. Here you can accept or disagree with a data sharing preference. You can also read this notice if you like. I'm gonna disagree and press on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. From here we can start browsing, so open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.